research projects. Okay, so one of the key issue in this, the process is collecting the data. Okay, so mostly survey data means collect. So if you look at this secondary data, other image data, other kind of data, so there are a lot of open source available. Okay, I will take next half an hour. What are the different sources of data? Okay, I'll be sharing with respect to open source point of view. Okay, so all this data we can collect it. So if you look at this, these are some of the website. Okay, so if you look at this website, all are related to not only agriculture and food, general other sector also available. Okay, so if you look at this, so these are the website data. One each and every one I'll explain. After that, what I do is I put it in the chat window and I'll share this recording video also. Okay. So these are the 12 highly used data sources, and also apart from this, these are the other sources. Okay, so totally I'll be sharing around maybe 35 related websites which are working on the common open source database. Okay, so one by one we'll discuss and put the inside this website, so we can find a lot of data related to food and agriculture sector. Okay, so if you look at the first one, data.gov is US based. Similarly, India also developed the data.gov.in. Okay, so we'll go to the website and check the data. Okay, similarly, there are other websites. Each and every website I will explain one by one. Okay, so I'll share my web browser and then we'll go to the each data source. Okay. Just 1 minute, I'll copy and paste it here. Yeah, my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Yeah, first one is this is US based data. So if you look at this, anything if you want to download, okay, you can just type it, okay, put related data or anything. So if you look at, there are some data are available, food inspection, but not related to India, maybe global level and other things will be there. So you can download as a CSV file, okay. So and similarly, here it has downloaded like this. There are a lot of sources, mostly be based on global and US database, okay. So you can use this data for your project, okay. So if you look at, this is the data I just downloaded, okay, related to one example, okay. Similarly, you can download a lot of data. Okay, so this is the one example. And now I'll go to the Indian context. Okay, so similarly, India also there are a lot of sources available. So one of the sources this one, data.gov. Okay, so Indian government also providing a lot of data for related to this concept. Okay, so try to use this for your research purpose. So you have to register. So you have to register your login and then you can download. So you have to register with your email ID and you can download the any data. Okay. So here also we'll get general visualization also, and also if you want to download as a CSV file, you can use the similar process. Okay. So we'll just take one example. Let's see. Culture data. So we can use this data for publication also. Some of the publication related data we can use. LPG consumption agriculture sector. So like this, some data, but some of the data will not be useful, and based on your requirement, you have to spend some time. Okay, state rank on agriculture growth, or some data are available. So from this, you can do some kind of regression or any kind of cluster. From that, you can give some finding to the policy makers. Okay, so like this we can do it. Okay, similarly, this is the main website. This is the visualization. Here also you can type it. Okay, but only thing you have to register. Okay, if you want to download, for example, area for now, this one. If you want to download as a CSV file, so you have to register yourself. Here, this is a CSV file. If you want to download, you have to mention. Okay, is my screen is fine? Yeah. Able to see this all bit,
yes,
right?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Commercial, non-commercial, or academic, like this, then it will come to your mail ID or you can download. Okay. So, but if you look at the US, there directly you can download, but Indian data you have to register and you can go to download. Okay, so these are the first two data set. Okay, if you want, I can share this one link in the chat window, or else I'll share it in the last. Okay, so first one is for government. This is related to Indian government. Okay, so again I'll go to PPT. The first one we have discussed. Okay, just to explore. I don't know exactly what data you require, so how you can do it. Yeah. So second one is third one. Okay. So third one is World Bank data, RBA, and 538 data sets. Okay. So we'll discuss one by one. Then I will go to different source. Okay. So World Bank also they are maintaining open source data, and RBI, Reserve Bank of India, also they're maintaining related to not only this general banking, and there is some of the related to agriculture banks and other banks also available. Okay. We'll check their website and then we'll go to the remaining data source. Okay. Yeah. World Bank. So same thing, I will share it in the chat window also. So there's separate column called related to World Bank data. Okay. So here also you can get the data related to food and agriculture. Okay. So if you look at this, most of the website is not specifically for any sector, is general. Okay. So from that you can get some data and you can get this here CSV file you can download. So maybe it is downloading as a zip folder, then you have to unzip and you can use the data. Okay. So these are the sample data related to World Bank. Okay. Similarly for this one, Reserve Bank of India. Okay. I'll share the link in this chat window. So if you look at the Reserve Bank, okay, I'll close the remaining thing. So Reserve Bank also will get a lot of data. Okay, some of the data may be related to agriculture also available. So this mostly for if you are doing agriculture finance or related to finance, you can use this website. Okay. Similarly, there is another website called 538. Okay. So this is a website for we will get some more data related to different sectors. So you have to find where the agriculture data and other things are there. Okay. See, there are different data, alcohol consumptions. Okay. So there are different food World Cup, and you have to find out. So mainly this is mainly for research purpose and training the student, thing. So far you can't collect all the data. So particular secondary is very difficult to collect. So like this, we will get a lot of data here for another is called 538. Okay. So this is the 6th website. Now I'll again go to the PPT and explain the some more data. Okay. Yeah. So next one is Amazon Web Service data set. Okay, Amazon is the main revenues are coming from cloud service platform. So they are also providing a lot of databases. Okay, so it's a huge data. And another one is Google data set. Okay, Google data search also available, and YouTube also providing YouTube data label videos. Okay, some of the videos if you want to analyze or anything related to food and agriculture, you can find these places. Okay, so what I'll do is again I will share my screen and explain this website. Then we'll go to the next data set. Okay. Yeah. So this is what we have done last this month. One minute. I'll share all the link in the chat window. So please explore. Okay. End of the day, we have to spend some time to understand the data. Okay. So we'll see. The first one we'll talk about Google data search. Okay, there is something called Google data search. Google providing this connecting lot of websites, lot of data related websites. Like we know Google Scholar, right? So like this is the another data set. Okay, so if you look at this, this is the data set. For example, food related data. Okay, so food delivery frequencies in the pandemic, something, anything. If you want to search, there are some website will be there. Again, you have to explore. Okay, so like this, we can get the data for using this. This data search. Okay, Google data search, like Google Scholar, Google image search, like this. Google also provided a Google data search. Okay, this is the one way to collect the data. Similarly, we'll see some more. Okay, there is something called a big one. Which one? Amazon. Okay, Amazon. We'll see. So Amazon having open. I'll share this link there in the Google's chat memo. So already I shared this one. It's open. Amazon. I'll share it. So mostly big data you can get it from here. Okay, register for open data on Amazon. So you have to register and you can get huge data. If you want to do a machine, particularly deep learning or anything, so you can get it. Okay, so maybe we can relate it to food. We'll check it. Food related 6 rice genomic project. Okay, something is there. Let's see agriculture. $64 matches are there. Here, these are the data. Okay, so you can register and you can download all the things. Okay, environment. So description you can find. Okay, satellite image, the big data you can get it from this Amazon web server. Okay, so this is the source, and then finally YouTube. Okay, we discuss YouTube. Okay. So this is the YouTube also providing a lot of open source data. Okay, so a data set with proper classification and text, all these things are available. So you can download and you can use this data also. Okay, for example, if you want to explore some options, we'll see. Explore the data set. Okay. Any food related or anything, we can explore. Vegetarian, something is coming. So here a lot of videos are related to this one. So it will be properly coded. Everything will be there. You can click and use this data for teaching a student or any project you want to. You can use these options. Okay. So like this, we have discussed 9 and we'll go remaining data sets. Okay. Maybe I'll go to PPT. So we have discussed so far, data.gov, the data government, Indian government data, World Bank, RBA, 538 data set, and Amazon Web Service. This is mainly for big data. Google search and Google data sets also available. Okay, and YouTube data we have discussed. Then this is very important. Very important. UCA machine learning repository and Kaggle. Okay, so Kaggle is competition. So there also we'll get a lot of data. So okay, we'll discuss now. Okay. So I'll share some data set now. Okay. 1 minute. So we are discussing, right, the UC machine learning laboratory, Kaggle, and yeah. Physically, guys, I did the chat, Okay. Here, this is also very highly useful data sets are machine learning, train and test. Here, there are a lot of data are there. Irish flower image data, wine quality, heart disease. Okay, these are some of the most popular data set. So like this, we'll get a lot of data set from this repository. Okay, so you have to find all this one. So it's not only for agriculture, all the other things will be here. When it is collected from A to B. Okay, so we can get cancer related data, agriculture. Okay, diabetes, all the data you can download and use it for any machine learning project. Okay, see how many data, say mushroom related data, something is there. Okay, so you have to find out related to food and agriculture. Accordingly, you can plan for your any project or any for teaching any courses. You can use this data. Okay, it's free. Or means collecting data is very cumbersome time, so you can use this. So here how much data is there. So you have to spend some time and you have to use this data source. Okay. Similarly, another very important source is Kaggle. Okay, this is for mostly for data scientists. There is a lot of top people. There is a competition will happen. Okay, so this is a very highly useful website. Okay, so here there are a lot of data sets are related to college, university. Okay, and water quality. There are some data will be related to agriculture also. This is similar to UC machine learning repository. Okay, so here also, but you have to register again. You have to register and you have to download the data. Okay, so there are food related data. We'll check it. Here food image data, food choice data, Indian food, open food fact, Amazon find food reviews. Okay, there are very good data are there. Okay, related to food and agriculture. Here number of data are there. So if you want, you have to download. So Indian food receipt data set, something in there. Okay, for that you have CS 20 download 28 MB data. So if you want to download, you have to register, sign in. It's easy one. Just you can use CD or for a Gmail account, you can easily register. So just matter of less time. So if you click here, it automatically down. Are you able to see the downloading also? Only screen. Are you able to see the downloading also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so zip file will be there. So from that you can you can unzip and you can see the data. Okay. So previous year India data set, Indian food data set. Here. I think with the different receipt, with the recipe, all the types, everything's available. Okay, so like this, you can try with this very highly useful source. Okay, I'll share the link in the chat window. And so mostly they'll do a lot of money for this kind of competitions. Okay, if you want, you can participate. So you can put it in the resume also, or you can encourage your student to participate this kind of event. Okay. So there are a lot of things. Currently, there are a lot of events will happen related to analytics projects. So it's highly competitive. If you get the rank itself, some companies are taking job, profile or recruiting based on this, competition course. Okay. So this is, I think some people also already know this kind of thing. Maybe generally I'm talking for other audience. Okay. Again, I'll go to PPT. So we have discussed Kaggle. Now we are going for analytics Vidya. So it's Indian based similar to Kaggle concept, but it's related to Indian data set and Indian based competition mostly. So another one is this is also for general data set related to RB, general overall financial data set. Okay. So we'll explain this one, then I'll go to the remaining data. Okay. Yeah. So if you look at this, I'll just share my screen. I'll again go to the PPT. Okay, so there is a called POS KDD cups. This is also related to Kaggle and analytics with the competition based one. So here also you have over the competition, they'll store all the data. So from that also you can download any data. So data driven. So this is another website. Here also we can download a lot of data. Similarly, image related, I'll share all the website now. So if you look at the image related data, there is something called MNIST database. Okay, so this is also a useful website for image, any image related working, you can use this data set. And charge 74, this also related to text data, written images, all the data. So both are image related and the text and text images will be there. front facial image. So here also we'll get a lot of data related to facial images. So anybody working on image computer vision or anything, you can use this website for taking some sample data for training a student or preparing some project or anything. Okay. Similarly, for if you look at the Twitter, they are giving text analytics. There are open APIs are available. You can extract data from Twitter, Facebook, and other things. Okay, so olden days is people used to understand sentiment through questionnaire and other thing. Nowadays, people are understanding through reviews. Okay, Amazon reviews and social media reviews. So Twitter already they're giving. There was some issue with Facebook, but most of the social media they're giving. So if you log in with your account, they can extract the data from this website. Not only Twitter, other social media like what is this Instagram and other media also you can get the data. Okay, so there are other data set maintained by one of the university of Manchester. So they're maintaining movie related data. So like this, there's a lot of open source data are available. Only thing you have to try and you have to practice. Okay, so there is another important website called KD Nuggets. So this is very highly famous website for analytics related concept. Okay, so not only for data set, you can get the update what is happening in the latest trend. This analytics data set always you can refer. So not only for data set, general updating the latest trend in analytics, you can use this website. So another one is called Awesome Public Data Set. So here also we'll get a lot of data. That is will be very highly clean data without any missing value. Proper data will be there. Okay, and Reddit data set also will be available. So I'll share this PPT and also this link. You can Google it. Okay, you will get it. My suggestion is you go with the Government of India data set. Another one is Kaggle Analytics Vidya. Another one is the KD Nuggets. Another one is this one, Past KDD Cups. Okay, so these are the key website for getting more data. There are other websites are available. Okay, so if related to agri-food and agriculture sector, these are the websites. Okay, so it's used. I'll share this in the chat window itself. Okay, related to general agriculture related data. Okay, so specifically, if you want, I don't want to go to any website. General, I want only the agriculture related data. This website will be very good. Okay, I'll share it in the screen. Then the chat window, please check it. Okay, so I'll take one or two examples. Then I'll stop here. Here this is US Open Data Cloud. So Department of Agriculture. This providing this. My screen is fine. Are you able to see the screen of?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is fine.
Yes. It is related to only agriculture related data. Okay, open data are available. Food and Agriculture Organization also they are providing data set. Okay, so this mainly for agriculture related. This is the other one, Garden Open Agriculture Data Source. Okay, so this is another organization providing this data. And world data. Okay, so agriculture related, specifically for agriculture. And Indian government also, MOS. Of data source available, reports and other things. So you can use this for example, there are machine learning used for text mining, topic modeling, all these things. So for the data will not only in numbers, it will be in the reports also. Okay, so these are some of the websites for specifically for agriculture. Okay, so try to use it. The best way to learn anything, you have to teach for your student, and from that you can learn. Okay. So with this, I'll stop here and we'll take it forward. Okay. So these are the while used, I'll share the PPT also in chat window. Then we'll take it forward. Okay.
Thank you, sir. And shall we start, sir? Exam.
Wait, sir. Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Any clarification? Anything?
Sorry for noise, but if you can share this PPT with us, copied all the links anyway, but still it will be.
Yeah, I'll share, sir. Now itself I'll share it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now itself I'll share it. 1 minute. Any other clarification, anything?
So would queries regarding for this issue?